we place a complete trust in God, and we are trying our best to ensure that whatever we do is for the glory of God. As most of you, if not all, must be aware of the fact that I have been visiting Garo Hills frequently in the last 2 to 3 years. And some people, they are wondering how this burden keeps coming, but without establishing his party in Garo Hills. They fail to understand why he is not establishing his party in Garo Hills. Because we feel that we should not rush in constituting our units in Garo Hills unless we see that those people who would like to join the party are fully subscribed to the philosophy, the ideology, and the belief of the party. Because the Voice of the People Party is not just another political party. We have made it very clear the day we announced to float this party that the Voice of the People Party is going to be a party with a difference. It is not only a party where our aim and objective is to contest election and win election only. It is going to be a movement where we will bring about a change in Meghalaya, especially a political change. Targeting that we will get the number to form the government from Khasi Giant Hills. Our frequent visit to Garo Hills does not imply that we badly want to be in the government. No. We want that our brothers, our Achik brothers and sisters, should also get the chance to know what is the aims, objectives, and goal of the Voice of the People Party, because it is going to benefit them also. If we are in the government, we may not have representation from Garo Hills, but we are not going to leave this part of the state, because we are, called to serve the state of Meghalaya, not to serve a particular community like the Khasi community only. So, which is why we want that you, our Achik brothers and sisters, should understand this. So if you understand this, what is your duty? Don't you think that it is your duty to join hands with us? Don't you think that it is your job to strengthen the party, to work? Because the Voice of the People Party is here to offer protection and benefits for the people of the state and the people of this region also. This should be the slogan for the entire state. No?
I'll keep this one like this. Number 2 can be given right here.
And this portion also will be taken by the member. But
Why you have left the particular?
Hi kumbakalong hi kadon ka jing shisha ka bakraw ba kadon ka jing trang jong kipai ba Garo Hills ba ka Voice of the People Party kan hiar sa Garo Hills ban penrung dekot ban sengi kene ka party shanish po Garo Hills. Kum ginong ilam ngilawan hiar bonsin bat ngilayo ban ikindo iki bobon ba kibriu akaling-kaling ke district bat ngilai ke jing slop ya ka jingai linti ka daw ka balapalongi bangin sengi ka party ka thong ka jing thumu ka jing makanong rim ka jing ko ba kalong manta kalong ka basmutna bangin tip
ba kata ka jing trang ga jong ki ne ki reurang ba ki pai ba jong Garo Hills kala pinisha bakalong ka ba scam namar ngila lum iki ngila pawan bat ngila tenjo iki haduk anu ka don kata ka jing angnut bat menta kasi kala don ka jing kundo bani slop hadin bangila yo bani slop haki por ki menchwa bat nagawi ka jingmut kila rai bakin Sdang kirki ya kani ka parti ka jing bat dena kata kata hukum kinongelam ngila mencur bangin bu shwa ya ka ad hoc committee hagbede baga Garo zone jong ka Voice of the People Party kenang bagani ka Garo zone jong ka Voice of the People Party kan Sdang ban lum ban lang ban ye slok ikibreu ban ai ka jing penchai ka jing pensoso kani kami namar kaladon ke jing trang bat ke jing angnut bangin hab ban Sdang no ye kani ka kam shapok Garo Hills ban ni smutu habangi don sini shapok Garo Hills kat habangi kendo la kalong ki rerong ba la kalong ki riu don brom kila pen pau shahi ba komba kalong hi kan de sang Voice of the People Party ka banlong kata ka alternative mo wei pat kalan nakam taki nongshong snong ha ka jila Meghalaya bakinyo ya ka sarkar kabaron ka jing sokhya nam ta jiki pai ba te nilala ban sengi ke ka ad hoc committee jong ka Garo Hills zone jong ka Voice of the People Party meta ka si pat ka basngotanat kalong bakidon du kiri rong ba jong ka hangni hapo Garo Hills ki belong ki nongelam ki beri ki senior citizens kin bedon ha ka kam shakriblei ki ba lakloi ru banlong ki nong ai jimut ki nong ye betenlinti ya kani ka ad hoc committee khnang bangila banwan ra pat ya ka ta ka district committee ka ba khlan ha kani ka dong ka thai bat shikiwi pa ki district te kata ka ka khubor ka bang ban pau bat nga sno ban aingu ible na ka ti ka jong u bat ka jinya linti ka ji ka ba ni yo ban mat sa ya kani pat ka cap jong ka jing job ha ka jinya linti jing bangila ban sing ban lum ya ki rangba ya ki samla ki ba penpau shisha ba kumba kalau manta kim don shu da wei pat ka jing prakhat ni ka jing arti ni ka Voice of the People Party nei ban i ba ka ri tang ni ka party ka ban yeng nam ta jingi ki try ka ha ka jala